is yours.
Thank you very much. Hello, everybody. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I'm taking a long brief because I know I have only 5 minutes to close my discussion. Let's introduce myself and my company. I'm Enrico Merlani and materials engineer from Trieste. Matitech is not anymore a little company. Nowadays is a group. A branch of it develop bikes and services for bikes. Another part of it, it's now the core business for Matitech, is focused on special machine automation for biomedicals. How Matitech is very important for this kind of industry sector because it is an incubator and development accelerator of ideas. Ideas can come inside Matitech. Matitech has a very high skilled R&D, very high know-how for what concerns regulatory and quality assessment, and Matitech has a manufacturing which is already proved for what concerns its success. So we are able to finalize the ideas up to production and to manufacturing, are already certified for what concerns all the regulatory and quality requirements. Please, we can go to the next slide. Okay, Matitech started in a garage or something similar in 13 square meters. Within 2 years, we need a lot of more room. So we move in the industrial zone of Trieste for a building of 400 square meters where we start our production of bicycles and of special parts for automotive machine focusing on biomedicals. The incredible growing happened in 2 years, 2009-2010. So we were demanding more room, and we moved to Slovenia. We are very near to the border. In the incubator of Cesana, where we now have a very big building of 1,200 square meters. For what concerns numbers, as we can see, the growth is impressive. From 2009, we grow up to 2.5 million euros, and the foreseen turnover for this year, 2011, is 5 million euros. Next year, we would like to achieve a double turnover. Okay? Our main project for the next future, an incredible machine for what concerns radio pharmacy synthesis, the only answer in the world now for what concerns the all demanding requirements of safety. Radiopharmacy is a sector of biomedical which is not very well integrated for what concerns directive and standards. All radiopharmacy unit work on by own, I would like to say. So we found an automated solution to satisfy all the safety directives. This machine has at the moment 14 applications under patenting, and we foresee for starting manufacturing from 2013 to 2017, nearly a complete turnover of about 120 million euros and with a net income of 50 million euros at minimum.
Can you conclude, please, Enrico?
Please.
Because you reached your 5 minutes.
Okay. Go to the next slide. We are still working on bicycle. We are more focused on services for bicycle. We have a lot of projects for what concerns mobility and to cover the whole Europe with Vaticano and an integrated renting system. The next one, please. So, wherever we are looking for partners. We aren't looking only investment, because we are already able to find economical resources. We would like to find a partner who is able to give us how to say, to tell us which ones are our weak points, and to work with, to develop, to improve our company. So this is all, and thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, Enrico. Gunilas.
Okay, thank you for a nice presentation. Could you please tell us more about how did you get the initial money when you started the company?
During the day, I spent 3 years working in IBS as a researcher, as responsible for what concerns regulatory and QA, and I earned a lot of money. Okay. I take this money and I use all of them to start business. After that, during the day I worked. During the night, I work for that company. During the night, I work for my company. This was up to 2008. So from 2009 up to 2011, you can see that I really start business. Okay. And the growth of Mataite started. Okay,
great. So could you please explain to us in more detail what is so unique about the material and the technology you use?
Excuse me, maybe you repeat it.
Can you tell us more in detail what's so unique with the technology and material you use?
What I need?
No, what's so unique with the material and the technology you use? What's so unique with your product compared to other competitors?
What I have more than other competitors?
Yeah, what's so unique?
We have all in-house, I can see. Because other competitors has only a little piece of the system. They are not able to start from an idea and to arrive to prototype, and after that to industrialization. We are able to make this inside all together.
Okay. But you have a challenge here. We have in Sweden a company, Grimaldi, you know it?
Yes,
Bianchi bicycles.
I should.
They have the same thing. So what do you have that they don't have? Because they have it from the beginning to the end, and the whole chain.
Okay, I start working in focusing on a special machine for drug preparations on demand. And we are the only one in the world making a complete machine to complete this process. So we are really the only one in this market. We have no competitors. I can assure you about that.
Great. And what kind of partner do you search for? Is it only the money you need, or do you need money and competence?
Absolutely not. In the last slides, I show a little piece of this. I don't need money, or better. I'm able at the moment because I understand that a business cannot go forward without planning, without business planning, and without showing to the bank and all your partners that you are able to have success in your ideas. So at the moment, we sustain all our projects with our own resources. Anyway, if we would like to shorten the time to get market, we need more financial sustainability. And not only, I would like to have a partner for what concerns management, for what concerns marketing, and for what concerns financial sustainability.
Okay, great. So if I will give you some advice, I would say if you don't need the money at this point, I would rather find a partner that you could give a part of the company that had the skill you are looking for with marketing and all that. So my advice to you would be to find a really good marketing person and give him maybe 5% of the company, something like that, instead of bringing more money, because if you take in private equity or something like that, they will take at least 50% of your company, and you will stand there and have to give so much from your company.
I have a solution for this. We are already working with customers on a different basis. We have a project. We focus on that project, and we find partners also for that project. So we build a unit, a business unit with a partner without Mataitek.
Okay.
Mataitek has 50% of the company, the new co, and the other partner has 50%. We are the technical partner.
Okay.
The other one is the financial one.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
Many thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you very much again. Let's move now to our second pupil, Ivan Alizabalaga from Spain. Ivan has a master from the University of Oviedo as an IT engineer. He has been a regional manager for the e-business division at Informatica El Corte Inglés for the past 4 years. At this position, he led a team of 25 to 30 people to develop internet solutions with different technologies. But more than this, he is now the main promoter of Periodicis. Ivan, the floor is yours.